Maybe you've been in your kitchen or you've been at a restaurant. But the real issue is, are AI recipes that hard to swallow? Well, AI created recipes have sparked a debate about their culinary appeal. While some restaurants like Dubai's Dodo Pizza have found success with AI generated dishes such as culturally diverse pizza that became popular, other creations have not fared so well. For example, the AI designed recipes for strawberries and pasta or blueberries and breakfast cereal did not make it to the menu. I'm getting sick just hearing about those. I don't know about you. Similarly, experiments at the Dallas Velvet Taco led to some interesting but unconventional combinations through successful dishes like prawns and steak. Taco did emerge, and critics argue that AI lacks the intuitive understanding of flavors that experienced chefs have. Though AI can still provide novel ideas and assist in overcoming creative blocks, despite mixed results, AI continues to influence menu development and food trend spotting, indicating a growing role in the culinary world. But I don't think I want an AI chef making my dinner or my lunch or even my breakfast. AI doesn't know how to taste, and it certainly doesn't know what's going to be healthy for us or nutritious.